Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samson Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to find 18 plus content on Snapchat. Maybe you want to see videos of 18 above in Snapchat and you don't find out on your Snapchat spotlight. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find 18 plus contents on Snapchat. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please do it to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order for you to know or create more helpful videos like this on this channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to here is my spotlight. Yeah, as you can see, if you want to see 18 plus contents on Snapchat, all you need to do first, you need to make sure you know the person posting those contents. You can go ahead and follow the person. Second, you can see search for the page of the person's content and go to the person's page to watch those contents. So that is the only way you can watch 18 plus content on Snapchat. Content is helpful. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know. Bye.